What's up, fam? How you doing? Oh my god, I just got off the phone with 13 calls. I got 13 voicemails. So when I finished work, I just sat in the car. I didn't get into the house. I knocked out 13 calls. The first call took me 30 minutes. Oh my god. But then the rest, I just knocked them out. Oh, look at this beautiful lady right here. Hey!
So I'm using the Euro test bank, and then I'm also, oh gosh, I'm doing a little bit of the Remar. I'm reading off the Saunders book too.
So let me ask you this. I mean, I'm just trying to brainstorm. If you used UWorld the first time and the second time and it didn't work out, why are you still using it? Oh my god, I spent 35 minutes on the first call. What the heck did you do, Mo? I still have 12 to go. I'm gonna call the next person. Oh my god, I shouldn't have spent all that time. But hey, listen, if you need a clarification, if you need motivation, it doesn't matter. You're not paying me for that 30 minutes. But still, I'm there for you. Even if you didn't take that NCLEX webinar, I'm there for you. Hey you! Hey Nala! Alright, so I got something very unique, very nice in the mail. Look at this. Oh my god. Hey you! Hey Angelina! Hey Daddy! Hey Judo!
Hi.
How you doing?
Good.
Hey, stop crying, stop crying. Stop crying. Alright, so basically I got something in the mail. Hey, you need to invest in your knowledge. I'm gonna check this bad boy. I don't know how am I going to do it. Like holding the camera and, you know, trying to... Can you hold the camera for me, Jude? Jude is gonna be my cameraman for now. No. Hold it properly. Alright, let's go. Let's see what's in here. Oh my god. Oh my god. Millionaire success habits. Listen, to be a millionaire, you need to have the habits of a millionaire. And if you do not invest in your knowledge, if you do not freaking read books, you're not gonna go anywhere. So my suggestion, if you want to build a business, learn about business. If you want to build a YouTube channel, learn about YouTube channel. If you want to learn a freaking NCLEX, get a freaking mentor. Visit NCLEX webinar. Your boy will help you. Just invest in your knowledge, invest in your brain. It's gonna be the best investment you ever make. Anything towards your mail. Like today on Instagram, and shout out to my boy. Like he was saying, like he was giving $300 to his kid. He's like an 8-year-old. He was giving $300. He said, "I'll give you $300 or a book." And I believe it was a Tony Robbins book. He said, $300 or a book. What do you want? And the kid said, "I want the book." And he said, "Why?" He said, "That is," what's the word he used? Like that is instant satisfaction or instant gratifications or whatever the word he used by. He said, "This is short term, but this is long term knowledge. This will stick here forever."
What's the offer you? $100. You hold this over there. Okay, so if I was to offer you right now $300, right, or the book, which one would you take?
I would take the book.
And why would you take the book?
Look, just with 3 books or 5 books, you just learn everything. Because a book, look, these are 200. This is infinity. So this infinity and 300. What you will pick?
And that's why I tell you guys, people do not like to freaking read books. They complain that they don't know the knowledge. But listen, if you educate yourself, and my boy Gary Vee, he says, invest 50 hours in whatever you want to learn. Let's say you want to learn how to write a book. Just research how to write a book for 50 hours. Spend on Google 50 hours. The information is there. I wrote a book in 3 days. I wrote, published, built a page, and, you know, put the book out there. And we had so much success with that book. If you haven't bought that book, hey, I'm gonna link it down below. Just go check it out. But I'm telling you guys, if you are not willing to invest in your future, to invest in your brain, to invest in the goals that you want to attain, you're gonna stay where you are. you're gonna be a freaking failure. All right? So please stop freaking complaining about success, about not achieving your goals, about life it's not fair, about like your manager is not fair, about luck. Oh my god. Don't get there. All right? Anyways, if you need help with your ankles, please check out my webinar. It's gonna be the first link down below. Till next time, be an alpha slice, boys.
Hello.
Hello.
Hey, brother Mo.
Hey, how you doing?
Pretty good. How about yourself, brother? Good. So, I don't want to take your time and just the introduction. My name is Jamal, and I just saw your video just yesterday. It was late night, actually, and I just texted you through Facebook Messenger, and I got it.
Which video did you see?
The one about the ECG, the 10.
Oh, gotcha. All right.
Yeah. I love it, that video, actually. I
Yep.
like it.
All right. So what's up, man?
Yeah. So I live here in Seattle, Washington.
Uh-huh.
So I took NCLEX like 2 times, but unfortunately, it wasn't my day.
Okay.
And I bought the material from Kaplan and URLit, mainly URLit. I bought URLit first. I tried it, not working, and just Kaplan.